Pursuit of excellence. Excellence means greatness, the very best. Excellence is a talent or quality which is unusually good and so surpasses normal standards. Pursuing excellence means striving to be the best and always doing your best. But it also implies that your best will be better than the norm. The adventure of excellence is not for the faint-hearted. It is achieved by people who muster up the nerve and the passion to step out in spite of doubt or fear or job limitations. Excellence is a personal commitment. In the movie Three Idiots, Rancho says, "Pursue excellence and success will come chasing you." Rancho tells his roommates, if you choose a profession in which you have the passion, you will have fun, you will enjoy working, and you will strive for excellence. You will be happy, and this is what real success is. Pursuit of excellence is about paying attention to details. It is about getting it right and doing it right. It is about setting benchmarks. It is continuous betterment or continuous improvement. It is creating a mindset that everything is a work in progress. Apostle Paul tells us in Colossians chapter 3 verse 23, "Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters." Martin Luther King Jr. said, "If a man is called to be a street sweeper, he should sweep streets even as Michelangelo painted, or Beethoven composed music, or Shakespeare wrote poetry. He should sweep streets so well that all the hosts of heaven and earth will pause to say, 'Here lived a great street sweeper who did his job well.'" No one is going to be perfect in this world. So, the road to excellence is a journey, a never-ending journey. Expect mistakes and failures along the way, but learn from them and keep moving forward. Strive to do better next time and the times after that. Excellence comes through gradual, steady improvement. Excellence flows from consistent performance over time. It is rarely gained by a single action, but rather through a succession of positive attitudes and actions. When you have a true passion for excellence and when you act on it, you will stand straighter. You will look confident. You will see things happening. You will see heroes created, ideas unfolding and taking shape. You will walk with more spring in your steps. You will march ahead with a renewed sense of purpose, of knowing you are making a difference, of you are experiencing positive change, growth, innovation, and progress. You are on the road to pursuit of excellence.